new unboxing from Human Made every month. They drop a collaboration with Keiko Sootome. It sells out really fast now. Before 5 to 10 minutes, now less than a minute. I missed out on last month's drop. That one's flew, which I was not expecting, but now I'm more prepared. Apple Pay is clutch. So yeah, Human Made. They ship really very fast. Got this in like a couple days. Labor Day weekend, so got delayed a day, but it's all good. Got one sticker here. I love these little envelopes that they give. There it is, the tea. Size large and white. Very cool. Human Made. Fire. Graphic right here. Human Made. Keiko Sootome. Super nice. Quality on par, always. Graphic is nice. Love the artwork. And yeah, keep them coming. So they'll have another one next month. They drop it every month. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe. More videos coming. See you guys in the next one. Shout out to Human Made. Out. Peace.